The 3 best trading platforms in the Netherlands. Most platforms feel fine when you're just browsing prices. The difference shows up when you place real orders, deal with currencies, or try to access a market you didn't plan for. Today, I'm ranking the 3 platforms that tend to fit Dutch users best in real life, and there's one detail that quietly decides the winner for most people, but almost nobody checks it up front. I'll close with that this is general info, not financial or legal advice. How this ranking was chosen. This isn't about hype or flashy features. It's about what usually holds up over time. Market access, overall costs, ease of use, order control, and how well the platform supports you if your needs grow. Availability and features can depend on your residency and account settings, so think of this as a practical way to choose the right match, not a guarantee that one platform is perfect for everyone. Rank 3. Saxo. Strong toolkit with a premium feel. Saxo is often a good fit if you want a polished platform that still offers serious investing and trading features. The interface tends to feel structured, which some people prefer when they want clarity over customization. Where Saxo can stand out is the overall full service experience. It can feel more guided than the most advanced platforms, without being overly simplified. The honest trade-off is that for some users, the cost structure can feel less forgiving if you're very fee sensitive or you mainly do simple, frequent transactions. If you value a refined experience and don't want to configure everything yourself, Saxo can make sense. Rank 2. DEGIRO. Streamlined investing for everyday users. DEGIRO tends to appeal to people who want a straightforward investing routine. You open the app, place an order, track your positions, and you're done. For many long-term investors, that simplicity is the feature. It's also commonly chosen in the Netherlands because it's built with European users in mind, and the overall workflow often feels lighter than professional-grade platforms. The nuance is that if your needs shift toward advanced order types, deeper analytics, or more complex setups, you may start to notice the edges. DEGIRO is usually strongest when your goal is consistency, not complexity. Rank 1. Interactive brokers, best for flexibility and long-term growth. Interactive brokers takes the top spot because it combines broad access with deep control in a way that can keep working as your strategy evolves. If you start simple and later want more markets, more precision, or more tools, you're less likely to feel boxed in. It's also known for being strong on details that matter later, like multicurrency handling and the ability to tailor how you place orders. For hands-on users, that control can reduce frustration over time. The honest downside is the learning curve. Interactive brokers can feel too much if you only want the simplest possible experience.
But if you want one platform that can scale with you, it often holds up better than most alternatives.
Closing the loop, the detail that usually decides the winner. Here's the detail people skip: how likely you are to outgrow your platform. If you choose for convenience today, but your needs expand tomorrow, switching later can be more painful than you expect. If you want the cleanest routine and you know you'll keep things simple, DEGIRO can be the better daily companion. If you want a refined, full-service feel, Saxo can be a strong option.
But if you want the widest runway to grow without restarting, Interactive Brokers is often the safest long-term bet.
And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier.
If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.
And remember that you can find the links in the description of the brokers mentioned in this video, with all promotions applied. Link in description.